Well, just want to give you an update. I just did a couple coats of the primer. This is the primer that I'm using. I finished sanding all the wheels, so now what I'm doing is I'm putting a primer on. So then I'm gonna let them dry. I'll probably do one more coat on them of primer, and then I'm gonna let them dry and I'm gonna see if they need a little sand on them or if they turn out good. So then tomorrow I'm planning on painting, putting the black gloss on them. I just want to give a little update how they turning out. I like that color though. I don't know. Maybe I should leave that in primer. What do you think? Should I leave that on primer? Nah, that's ridiculous, I know, but they look pretty damn good like that. I just want to give an update. This is the primer that I'm using. I'll probably do a part 3 on when I do the gloss black tomorrow. So, any comments? Anything? You're welcome to say something. Thumbs up if you like the video. If you're still waiting how they turn out. And subscribe. Be safe.